How to develop self-confidence. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that can transform your life, self-confidence. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation, entering a new social situation, or just wanting to feel better about yourself, building self-confidence is essential. Let's explore some effective strategies you can start using today. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I am capable and prepared." Practice this daily, maybe even write down a few affirmations and read them every morning. Remember, even the most successful people have faced failures. What sets them apart is their ability to bounce back. First, let's understand what self-confidence really is. It's not about being the loudest in the room or never feeling nervous. Break larger tasks into manageable steps. When you accomplish these mini goals, you'll feel a sense of achievement that boosts your confidence. Celebrate each success, no matter how small. It all adds up. It's about believing in your abilities and trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. Remember, everyone has moments of doubt. The key is how you respond to them. One of the most effective ways to build self-confidence is through positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts by replacing them with affirmations. So go ahead, take that first step today. Thank you for watching, and remember, confidence is within you. Next, set small, achievable goals. Each setback teaches you something valuable and builds resilience. Understand that failure is part of the journey. Rather than fearing it, embrace it as a learning opportunity. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift you and encourage your growth. Their support will help reinforce your self-belief and remind you of your worth. Remember, you are the average of the people you spend the most time with. Building self-confidence takes time and practice, but by incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you'll start to see a positive shift in how you view yourself.